How about we make a turducken? You don't know till you didn't know. Let's make it. All right, y'all, check it out. We're making my first turducken, and I guess I'm kind of winging it. So what we did is we asked our local butcher, hey, can you go on and debone these turkey, ducks, and chickens for us? So they did. Well, I don't want skin being cooked inside of the turkey because that skin is not going to be crispy. I'm going to take all the skin off of my duck and my chicken. All right, so we got our chicken deboned and skinned out. We also got our duck breast. Let's make this turducken. So grab your turkey tenderloins and kind of open it up just like that. Put a little slice into our breast. Kind of lay them out flat like so. Now is when we take our Dano's Original, that's the green top, and we're gonna season this bird. Season it heavily. Next part, we lay in our chicken. And we're gonna spice it up a little bit with the spicy Dano's, a little pop pop. We're gonna take our duck breast and we're gonna go and slice it in half and lay it in long ways like so. So we have a little bit of turkey, duck, and chicken in every bite. And we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of Dano's Chipotle. Now it's time for the hard part. We're gonna figure out how to wrap this baby. Oh, here's what we'll do. There we go. Now, how do we get the string through? Maybe it shall work like this. Look at that. String through. Now what? I don't know. We got a little bit of a problem. I don't know what kind of knot that is, but I think it works. All right, so now we're gonna be very gentle with our bird because we don't want to break our twine. But we're gonna use a binder, we're gonna do sriracha. Now we hit it with a pop pop. Sriracha, and a little pop pop. Now let's go throw it on our pellet smoker. There we go. Hang on. All right, I had to go wash my hands and give me one of these little pop pops. Now what I wanted to do is show you this rec tech here. Look at this thing, these beautiful horns. It's like a bull. It's a beast. It's an awesome smoker. It's got the auger, holds 20 pounds of pellets. All right, so I did come out halfway through and put some butter on it. Look how beautiful this thing is. Let's take it inside and slice it up. You did good, old buddy. Let's get us a slice. Let's get us a little bite of everything. Now that is fantastic. Yum, yum, get you some.